it is Melancholia here. This is the first time that I'm making like a video in a very long time because everything else that I post is all performance based, things like that. But today I have a fun special occasion that I'm actually looking very much forward to. I was approached by YUMETWINS, the monthly subscription box for all kawaii goods like plush toys, kitchen goods, stationery, things like that. I was approached by them and they wanted to send me a box, so I'm like, oh, a box? I get a box? I'm really excited because I've seen some of my friends do this, and it's always been something that I was very interested in. Obviously, I'm very into this stuff. So when they approached me, I absolutely jumped at the opportunity to get this box and review it and open it for all of you. So I hope that if you're interested in YUMETWINS, that this unboxing helps you ever so slightly. I have been sent a box. Don't really know what's in this. I have an idea, but I'm not 100% positive. So let's get into cutting it open. My address is absolutely everywhere on this. So if you want to dox me, now's your chance. Cute. Okay, right out the gate. Konnichiwa. Spread the kawaii love, post and tag. Okay. Okay, what's inside my box? No, I don't want to know. Okay. Ah, cute. Wow. Okay. First and foremost, I got a cool hat. I gotta swap hats now. Oh no, it took me forever to get this one on. That's fine. It's fine. I can do it. Where did my scissors go? How did I lose those? Hello? Ah. Snip. Oh. This video is gonna be 8 minutes of me just struggling to do anything. Okay, cool. We've got it. Okay. Usamimi. Okay, here we go. Can I just put it on top of my hat already? Will that work? Will it work that way? That would be awesome. It looks a little wonky on top of my already hat, but... Ah! It is one of these! Oh my god. You guys. Oh my god, wait, okay. I always saw these hats. I always saw them, and I didn't really think that they were cute, or like, I don't know. I wasn't really into them, but like now, like, it's so cute, actually. Ah, this is fun. Like, okay, this isn't like something like that, like, I would wear in like public, but actually, you know what? Maybe I would. I really like this. It's actually really cute. It's really well made. I won't stop doing this for about 20 days probably. This is really fun. Okay, I'm into it. I'm gonna keep it on. Next up we got kitchen sponges. Okay, if you know anything about me, which probably like don't, because I try to keep this under wraps, but I'm very much into like kitchen goods, and like I really love cute like cleaning supplies and just kitchenware in general. So these are really cute. I have a little clip over my sink where I put all my sponges and things, so these will fit perfectly. Alright, so next up on the list, I see a bowl. In here, and we just got done saying I love kitchen goods. So I have to see what bowl I got. I'm curious as to what the options are though. Okay, because I can't really see it. I just see the top of a bowl, and I know that it's a bowl. Okay, my option is sparkly kawaii bowl. I can either get it in Hello Kitty, My Melody, Sumiko Guraishi, or Doraemon. Okay. I personally would love Doraemon, but anybody would be cool as well. You know what? I'll take a cute sparkly bowl any day of my life. So, okay. Sumiko Guraishi. Okay, actually, I'm okay with this. I don't have a lot of Sumiko Guraishi merchandise, so this is really cool, actually. Ah, it's a cute. Oh, okay. It has like a really like cute like crystal-y. Obviously it's not crystal, but it has that kind of fun texture to it. That's really cute. Sanax has some really cute characters. I'm definitely more of a Sanrio girl, But San X, like I can't sleep on them. They have a lot of really cute stuff as well. This is actually really cute now that I'm looking at it. What is this? Penguin is feeding ice cream to everyone else that's in there. This is actually very, very cute. I'm a big fan of this, actually. I'm gonna use this for a lot. And this is actually a really, really pretty big bowl, honestly. And of course, you know that it's authentic because they have the holographic sticker on there. So, not giving us that fake merchandise. Next up, what is this guy? Is it just a cute little... You know what? It's just a cute little container. I'll take a cute little container all the time. Every time I go to Daiso, I swear I come back with like eight like containers like this, and my entire family is like, you have to stop. Like, when will you stop? And I'm like, oh, probably never. So I'm glad to have another one. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, this could be dangerous for me. There's a keychain in here of some sort. There's a keychain in here of some sort. And it's either Hello Kitty, My Mellow, Cinema Roll, or Little Twin Stars. This is dangerous territory. I don't know who I want. Ah, this is hard. Sanrio's my thing. Sanrio's like my thing. So do I? Okay. Okay. Wait. These like shake. There's like things in it, or there's like Okay. There's something like inside the keychain. This is next level. Hello phone. Hello. No one asked. I should just open it. I don't honestly, I don't mind who I get. The Little Twin Star one is actually very, very cute. But this is hard. Okay, whatever. I'll take whoever I get. I'll take whoever I can get. Okay. And it's My Mellow! Okay, this is so cute. Oh my god, there's so many stars. Ah, she's cute. She's like a shaky. There's stars inside and she shakes. Cute. Cute. Ah! Speaking of My Mellow, oh my gosh, one of my friends just recently got me, I don't know if I can find her in my hoard of stuff toys. Yes! One of my friends just recently got me this My Mellow, and she got the My Sweet piano that matches, and I just had to share that with everybody. I'm very happy with her, she's so cute. Next up on the agenda is this cute Sumiko Guraishi coaster, and yes! It's Penguin! Ah, Penguin is my favorite character out of Sumiko Guraishi. Very, very cute. This is so cute. This is so cute. This is so cute. I'm very happy. I'm very, very happy. Very, very happy. Oh my god. With the little stupid cucumber. Ah! Penguin! Penguin! Desu? He's like not sure if he's Penguin. I love him. He's such a little dork. This is so cute. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. It's actually stupid how many like stains I have from not having coasters. I should just coaster it up all the time, and probably should go buy the rest of these. Now that I have one, I will definitely probably want the entire set, so that's bad for me. Thanks a lot, YUMETWINS. Now I'm gonna have to buy it all. And last but not least in this box is a stationery set, which is also really dangerous territory for me. And the stationery set that I got, I know what I got because I see it, but I want to know what all my options were. So all my options were, I also really, really enjoy this little pamphlet thing that has all of your options so you can like place your bets and stuff. And out of the glitter keychains, actually, there was also a Doraemon, Shin-chan, Sumiko Guraishi, and a Sanrio one. And honestly, I'm kind of sad and jealous of everyone who got Shin-chan. He's such a little rascal. I want a glittery Shin-chan. But out of all the Sanrio designs that I could have gotten were... Oh, crap. There were 7 different letter designs? There's only 4 in the picture. Oh my god. Was there a pom-pom pudding design? But there's also, in the image, I see a couple little twin stars. Oh, one of them's just an all-around Sanrio character. Okay. One is Pochako. I would have loved Pochako. And there's also a Tuxedo Sam in the picture. So there's probably just a bunch of different characters, and that's really, really neat. But the one that I got is Little Twin Stars. Yay! This is actually really, really cute. I want to look at the paper. I am a really big really big stationery junkie. This is also extremely dangerous territory for me. The paper's cute, the paper's cute. Cute, they're in little bath towels. This is cute. Welcome to the land of Kiki and Lala. I love them! I love them! This is so cute! They're so cute! Are you kidding me? Oh, this is so cute, this is so cute, this is so cute. And the stickers that come to seal off the envelopes are really cute too. This is actually really great for me because I do monthly letters to my Patreon club members, and this saves me from having to purchase new stationery, because if I purchase new stationery, it'll all be over for me. Because I don't like reusing the same design sent to people. So I have an entire, like, my drawer has these shelves that can pull out, and one of them is just full of stationery sets and like memo pads and things like that. So I'm like, stationery. But this helps me. This helps me not have to. This is one less stationery set I have to get. So that is everything that was sent to me in my YUMETWIN box. I would heavily actually recommend this to anybody who really likes cute stuff but is actually really indecisive and feels really busy all the time. I'm a very busy person, so I don't really get out to buying cute things, and I also live kind of in the middle of nowhere, so I don't have opportunity to like leave my house and like find cute things, or because I'm so busy I don't really have time to shop around on the internet anymore to look for like really cute things as well, which might seem like a lie because all this, but really a lot of these are gifts. So getting something like this sent to you monthly is really neat, especially if you see something that you really like. I know for a fact that they have like Ghibli boxes, which is... But this is just a really cute assortment of things. There was Sanrio, there was Sumiko Guraishi, there was just really cute like cherry blossom, summer theme, springtime type items as well. So if you're really into just really cute lifestyle type things, just very bright, very pink, like I am as well, I think that this would suit you very well, even if you like J fashion. Like obviously they got you covered in that kind of field as well sometimes. I'm sure it changes from box to box, but I would recommend this type of a box to anyone. I know that YUMETWINS, they also do Tokyo Treat, and there's one other box that is all makeup themed as well, and cosmetics and things like that. So if you're interested, please go check them out. If you are interested, I have an affiliate now. Oh, affiliate! Whoa. Moving up in the ranks. Code in the description below, so if you are interested in any of these items or interested in getting a box for yourself, wink, I know that the Ghibli box looks really cool. I'm gonna have to get one for myself. I would recommend it to anyone. So without further ado, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for YUMETWINS giving me a chance on this, and I hope to see you guys again at my next concert or my next live or next event. Bye bye!